मतलब?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Ma'am, fine.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Over with the exams. Relax now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Parth.
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा.
Ma'am, can you tell, ma'am, like, any idea do you have, like, when we will get to know our marks for UT?
I have no idea regarding this beta.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you all have joined class.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I wanted to tell you one thing. There are many students who have not attended their classes, right?
Yes.
Can you tell me all those who have not attended the classes regularly?
Ma'am, by name.
There are
Okay,
many.
ma'am. Like, yes, ma'am. There are many students.
बेटा मारूफ,
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आप ये शायद पहली क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं 3-4 महीने में जब से भी क्लासेस चल रही हैं. This is the first time I am seeing your name over here. I just counter checked whether your name is written in the list or not. Am I right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So what was the reason for not attending, beta?
मैम दादी एक्सपायर हो गई थी और मैम मैं दिल्ली गया हुआ था, फिर मैं वहां से मैं लगभग 2-2.5 महीने के बाद आया था.
तो बेटा
और फिर मैं जब आया था तो दादी एक्सपायर हो गई थी.
क्लासेस तो अप्रैल से चल रही हैं बच्चे. अप्रैल मई जून जुलाई 4 महीने.
मैम मैं दिल्ली गया हुआ था उस टाइम मैम मामा के साथ, फिर लॉकडाउन लग गया, फिर मैं आ ही नहीं पाया था मैम. फिर जब दादी एक्सपायर हो गई तभी आया था.
तो वहां से क्लासेस भी नहीं ले पा रहे थे आप?
मैम वहां पे किसी का नंबर ऐड नहीं था.
आपका तो बड़ा नुकसान हुआ. इसका मतलब एग्जाम भी पता नहीं आप सही से कर पाए होंगे नहीं कर पाए होंगे बेटा. हाँ.
नहीं मैम पढ़ा तो था मैम.
अच्छा, चलिए तो फिर अच्छी बात है अगर आपने पढ़ा था तो. फाइन. बेटा टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू, though we were doing history chapter, but today we will not do that. We'll be doing the flow chart today. for the geography chapter drainage that we have done. We are over with that chapter, but the flowcharts were not done. Am I right, Parth?
For geography, I think we had not done. Like, yes, ma'am, we had not done.
We have not done. So please take out your notebooks and kindly do this flowchart that I'm sharing with you on the screen.
Okay, ma'am, this one.
No, no. Beta, can you see the flowchart on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, this flowchart is important in the sense it will tell you what is the difference between Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers, right? So write it down without failure. And within 5 minutes, I'm taking the attendance also of the students who are there in the class. Write the name of the chapter on the blank side that you have of the notebook. You can note down this flowchart.
Okay, ma'am.
We can write with pencil.
That is your choice. You can use pencil also. You can use pen also. Fine. Uh, and try to write it down quick so that we are able to finish right in time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, beta?
No, I'm just doing. I'm just
No,
doing it.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes.
Excuse me,
हाँ जी पार्थ बोलो बेटा.
ma'am, can you just scroll up for 1 second?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Now, ma'am, you can scroll down.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please scroll down? Ma'am,
हाँ जी कोई कुछ कह रहा था.
yes, ma'am, please scroll down.
Okay. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
अखिलेश पटेल भी है आज क्लास में.
मैम थोड़ा सा स्क्रॉल अप कर दीजिए.
अखिलेश पटेल. अखिलेश आर यू देयर इन द क्लास.
यस मैम.
बेटा आपके साथ भी कोई इशू था. आप भी शायद दूसरी बार क्लास में आ रहे हो 4-5 महीनों में.
नो मैम. मैम आई हैव टेकन क्लास मैम एवरी डे.
एवरी डे. रियली.
यस मैम, आई टेक ऑल क्लासेस.
No beta, but you have not been giving attendance, I believe. Your attendance is 0 in my register. I take attendance every time. Parth, do I take attendance or not?
Yes, ma'am, you take attendance every day.
No
But
ma'am.
have you ever heard Akhilesh giving the attendance?
No, ma'am.
And he's saying that I take
No.
classes every day.
Yes ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Has
really
it-
ma'am, you check ma'am old recordings ma'am.
बेटा हम तो क्लास लेते हैं मेरे बच्चे. आप किसको बता रहे हो कि आप क्लास रोज लेते हो बेटा.
मैम मैं सच में लेता था.
बेटा पता नहीं हमारी क्लास तो आपने नहीं ली है. आप
Ma'am, can you
दूसरी-
scroll up?
आज आप दूसरी बार दिखे हैं हमें अपनी क्लास में. सेकेंड टाइम, एंड फर्स्ट टाइम जब आप आए थे तो हम आपका आवाज लेते ही रह गए, आपका नाम लेते ही रह गए, बट देयर वाज नो रिस्पॉन्स.
No, ma'am, that was Alec.
नहीं बेटा, आप थे, अखिलेश थे, आलेख की तो बात ही नहीं कर रहे. आलेख तो अटेंड ही नहीं करते हैं क्लास.
मैम मैं तो हमेशा अटेंड
Ma'am,
करता
can
हूँ
you
मैम.
scroll up?
No beta, I have never seen you. Is everybody done with the first flow chart?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
First you finish the first one, then the next one we'll have. See today, who all are completely new to the class? Shoaib Barsi for the first time. Shreyansh Kumar, he comes to the class, 5 minutes he remains in the class and then he exits. And then he gives the excuse that there are network issues. And I could feel that during the examination, nobody faced the network issues. Right? Only during the classes you have network issues. Right? Then this Yash Raj, he is also attending for the 4th time or the 3rd time in 4 months that we have been having the classes. Imagine, out of 22 days, just 22 into 4 if you do, 88 days, out of 88 days, only 4 present you have. Shreyansh, Akhilesh Patel has only 2 presents. Maruf is coming for the first time. He told me the reason. Nishchal Raj, he comes, but then he is completely on the silent mode. There are many I can name out. There are only 5 students, those who are very regular to the class, and they do interact and they do, respond to my calls when I call them. Though I don't pressurize you to keep your cameras open, but still at least I expect that when I call your name, you are responding. Right? Rashi, she has been regular throughout,
Yes,
though
yes.
yesterday she could not take, maybe because she was busy making the PDF or because of the test. But otherwise, she is very regular to the class. Muskan Gangwar, initially she was regular. For some 15-20 days, she did the class in these 4 months. And after that, she went on silent mode. Kumar Parth is regular. Aryan Gupta is regular. Rishabh is regular. Rashi Parmar is regular. Not even a single day these children have missed on their classes. Mahira is a new admission. So since her admission, she is coming every day. This is really appreciable. I really appreciate her for the same. Rashi is also a new admission. She is also taking her classes regularly. The day she got her admissions in the school, since then she is regularly attending her classes. And she is not on the silent mode. She is always, responding to the teacher's call.
Ma'am, actually, I am in my hometown in village, so there is a lot of network problem.
Who is this?
Ma'am, Muskan Gangwar.
बेटा देखो, हम आपको एक बात बता दें. When I take classes, my son also takes classes. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And
Yes, ma'am.
the recordings that are there, recordings are flashed on all the groups. Randomly, I go through the recordings
Yes,
also just to see the strength in the classes as per the lectures. Right? There are many those who are present in other classes, but
Yes,
they
ma'am.
give an excuse that, ma'am, because of network issue and so problems, we could not come to your class. See, why to lie unnecessarily? Beta, such
No,
a
ma'am.
there is no problem in lying. I am not talking about you, Muskan beta. आपने बताया आपकी problem है, ठीक है, I agree to that. But there are many, like Akhilesh is saying that, ma'am, I do my classes every day. He is telling me that the teacher has no information that he is there in the class, and I sit like blind and I don't know he is attending the classes. Imagine, he is telling on my face, every day I am taking classes with you all, 4 classes in a week, and not even once he has come to the class and he is telling me, ma'am, every day I am taking the classes. These are the heights, Akhilesh. I understand you are concerned about your paper and everything, but at least don't lie.
No, ma'am, I am not lying. Ma'am, please understand. Ma'am, I have taken so many classes.
बेटा हो सकता है आपने अटेंडेंस लगाया हो पर क्लास में तो आप नहीं आए हो, हमारे पास रजिस्टर है, हमारे पास बच्चे हैं जो बता देंगे कि आप क्लास में होते हैं कि नहीं होते हैं। राशि परमार इज अ रेगुलर स्टूडेंट, कुमार पार्थ इज अ रेगुलर स्टूडेंट, ऋषभ इज अ रेगुलर स्टूडेंट, ठीक है। उसके बाद आपका ये आर्यन गुप्ता इज अ रेगुलर स्टूडेंट। आर्यन, टेल मी हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू हैव सीन अखिलेश इन द क्लास थ्रू आउट द क्लासेस since the beginning of the session?
Ma'am, 7-8 times.
But no, beta, ये तो second time he is responding to my calls. I am telling you this. He must
Ma'am,
have
you
done.
every time say to me that for reading them, I have read every time, ma'am.
वो जब पहली बार आपने क्लास करा था तब आपको रीडिंग के लिए बोला था हमने, तब आपने रीडिंग करा था, मुझे अच्छे से याद है बच्चे। आई रिमेम्बर, मेरे को तो एक एक बच्चे का रिकॉर्ड इसलिए पता है क्योंकि आई ऑलवेज टेक अटेंडेंस। समटाइम्स आई
Ma'am,
डोंट
can I go to drink water?
हाँ जी, आप जाइए पानी पी के आइए बेटा। चलिए, फ्लो चार्ट 1 is complete of everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now coming to the second one.
Yes.
Second flow chart, Himalayan river system. Here you are given about, we all know that the Himalayan river system comprises of the three main rivers, Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. So first you will be writing about Indus. You can do it simultaneously. What is shown on the screen, you can write all the three together and then slowly I will scroll and you can complete your work, right?
Okay, ma'am.
श्रेयांश भी क्लास में आते हैं, 5 मिनट रहते हैं, उसके बाद ये एग्जिट मार जाते हैं। श्रेयांश का नाम बुलाते रहो, श्रेयांश पता ही नहीं चलता है कि नहीं है क्लास में।
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
अभी तो यू आर देयर, आई नो दैट बेटा, अभी तो यू आर देयर। बस स्क्रॉल करें।
Okay, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
हाँ, बता देना, टेल मी व्हेन यू आर डन विद इट, ओके।
Ma'am, can you please scroll down?
स्क्रॉल करें बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इतना ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो.
मैम थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दीजिए.
बेटा कौन सा वाला देखना है? ये वाला. इतना ठीक है.
मैम गंगा का सेकंड पॉइंट.
गंगा का सेकंड पॉइंट. ओके. लेंथ वाला है. ठीक है.
ओके मैम. Ma'am, can you please scroll down?
डाउन.
Yes, ma'am.
अप और डाउन.
Ma'am, down.
बस ये देखना है आपको. लास्ट वाला पॉइंट है ये. ठीक है.
Ma'am, can you show
Okay,
Indus
ma'am.
and Ganga last point?
गंगा लास्ट पॉइंट.
Yes, ma'am.
दिस वन. नो.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll up so can I see flowchart one?
बेटा which point you want to see? Tell me. I'll scroll up to that only. ये नमचा बरुआ वाला देखना है कि ऊपर वाला देखना है? बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, I want to see flowchart one.
फ्लोचार्ट 1.
Ma'am, a few points are left.
ओके. बेटा जल्दी करो अनुकृति.
Ma'am, can you scroll a little down?
या.
Done.
हाँ जी. अब करें. हो गया बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
I think flowchart 1 is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show Ganga fourth point?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fine. Your attendance now.
Yes.
Akhilesh,
Yes, ma'am.
see, on 16th of June you did my class, and on 30th of June you did the class. After that you have not attended, and before that also you have not attended, and this is the third time you are coming to the class. I have the records. Fine. Be regular now. Whatever is done,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, but be regular.
Okay,
now.
ma'am.
चलिए,
Okay,
ये
ma'am.
हाँ जी, ये आपका है उसका ब्रह्मपुत्रा का 4th पॉइंट. रोल नंबर 1 अभिराज is not there. Today is
23.
23.
I think yesterday we had a class after 14th of July, right?
No, ma'am. Between that also we had some classes.
No, my class was not there, no, with you on 15th.
No, ma'am. We did some classes. Ma'am, we did revision also.
2 classes we had, no?
Yes, ma'am, I think.
हाँ 2 classes हुए थे हमारे. चलो ठीक है, कोई नहीं. Okay. Abhiraj is not there, Aditya is not there, Adnan is not there. 2 attendance इन लोगों का आया है. अखिलेश पटेल, Alek not there, Anushka
Yes,
Gupta,
ma'am.
Anushka Gupta,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Aryan Gupta,
Present, ma'am.
Aryan Patel, not there. Ayush Bhardwaj not there. Bhavya Dikshit not there. Yesterday she was there. Then Ilma not there. Krishna not there. Kumar Path, yes. Kushagra Singh is there. Kushagra Gautam is there. Maruf for the first time. Shoaib Varsi for the first time. Agaz Muskan Gangwar. In this month, this is the 3rd class she is attending. Nischal Raj,
Present.
the 4th class he is attending. Noor has not attended a single class. Om is not there. Priyanshi, only 2 classes she has attended. Rashi, Rehan Ali, Rishabh, Sahil Khan,
Present.
Khan, Shreyansh, Siddhant, Sumit Yadav, Tanishka Gangwar, not there in the class. Vaibhav, not even a single class. Vanshika, Yash Raj Raghuvanshi, 2nd class in this month. Yash Raj is there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Mahira, Aman Yadav, Anukriti Bedi, and Prince Yadav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he's not there.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yes. Down like this.
मैम ब्रह्मपुत्र वाले पॉइंट्स दिखा
Ma'am,
दीजिए एक बार.
Yes,
बेटा
ma'am.
ये देखिए ब्रह्मपुत्र के 2 पॉइंट्स ऊपर हैं. Originates from Mansarovar Lake. Length is 2900 kilometers. उसके बाद at Namcha Barua it takes a U-turn to enter India in Arunachal Pradesh. It is called Dihang. And the last point is its tributaries are Dibang, Lohit, Dihang, and many others in
Okay,
Assam.
ma'am.
इसका last point आप गंगा वाला जो last point है ना, that it forms the largest delta in the world.
Yes, ma'am.
इसको लिखोगे ब्रह्मपुत्रा के लिए लिखोगे इट फाइनली ड्रेन्स इनटू बे ऑफ बंगाल फॉर्मिंग वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट एंड फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग डेल्टा along with Ganga river. Am I clear or shall I
Okay.
write?
Ma'am, it's clear.
It's clear, no? Let me write, otherwise there will be confusion. It finally drains into Bay of Bengal forming world's largest and
Ma'am, done.
fastest growing, very good, delta of
Done.
the world along with Ganga river, right? Done, no?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए.
Ma'am, this is the 5th point for Brahmaputra.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
देखो, only 2 minutes are left now. So we have one more flow chart. I am giving it to you. You can only have the heading. Tomorrow when we have the class, we can complete it, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Flow chart. Good.
Ma'am, what will be the heading of flowchart?
Heading will be
Third.
the peninsular rivers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, done.
Which all are peninsular rivers? Narmada. Then we have Tapi. Tell me the names. We have done, no, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Godavari.
Krishna.
Krishna, very good.
Ma'am, Kaveri.
Then we have
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Mahanadi.
Kaveri.
Mahanadi.
Ma'am, Mahanadi.
Yes. There are 6 peninsular rivers, right? Now we will be writing about the drainage basin of these peninsular rivers. Okay. So first we will write about Narmada basin.